Tired of KYC restrictions cramping your crypto style? Let's dive into whether you can actually deposit money on Bybit without completing the Know Your Customer verification. First things first, Bybit, like most major crypto exchanges, has implemented KYC tiers to comply with global regulations. Generally, lower KYC levels allow for limited deposits and withdrawals, while higher levels unlock full platform access. Now, the burning question: can you deposit without KYC at all? Officially, Bybit requires at least a basic KYC level to deposit funds. This usually involves providing your name, country, and date of birth. So, technically, no, you can't deposit completely anonymously. However, the unverified accounts can deposit up to 1,000 USDT and withdraw up to 20,000 USDT. The exchange may change these regulations from time to time, so I'd recommend reading their policy yourself. Keep in mind that even with basic KYC, you'll likely be limited in your deposit, and withdrawal amounts exceeding those limits will require further verification. Bottom line, while complete anonymity for deposits on Bybit is a thing of the past, basic KYC might get you started with limited functionality. Always double-check Bybit's official policy for the most up-to-date information.